Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of this week. Top 30 questions with answers. Questions may be asked in competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC exams. First question. US President Joe Biden has invited how many leaders for the virtual climate summit which is scheduled for April 22nd and 23rd? Answer 40. President Biden invited 40 world leaders to the Leaders Summit on Climate, which he will host on April 22nd and 23rd. Second question. Which country has launched the first military exercise in space code named Aster X? Answer France. The French military will carry out drills to test the capabilities of its space command in tackling threats to its satellites. Third question. India's first glass skywalk has been inaugurated in which state? Answer Bihar. The skywalk has been built to provide an exquisite view of Georgia's Chandrazik statue and it will lead you to golden prayers wheels on the both side and give you panoramic view of mighty the Himalayas. Fourth question. Recently, the government has included which sport in Khelo India Youth Games 2021? Answer Yogasanas. Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju on Thursday said that the government has included Yogasanas in Khelo India Youth Games 2021 in a bid to develop it as competitive sports. Fifth question. What is the name of scholarship announced by PM Narendra Modi for youths of Bangladesh? Answer. Swarna Jayanti Scholarship. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the Swarna Jayanti Scholarship for youths of Bangladesh. The Swarna Jayanti Fellowship is a research fellowship awarded annually by the Department of Science and Technology of India. Sixth question. Which state government announced the launch of affordable rental house scheme? Answer Uttar Pradesh. A proposal for the affordable rental housing and complexes scheme was approved by Uttar Pradesh cabinet presided over by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, an official statement said on Friday. Seventh question. What is the name of the express train inaugurated recently to run between Dhaka and New Jalpaiguri? Answer Mithali Express. A new passenger train connecting Dhaka and New Jalpaiguri on India's side was inaugurated jointly by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina via a video conference on Saturday. Eighth question. Which cities will host the AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022? Answer Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Bhubaneswar. Ninth question. Which state will have the most number of international airports in India? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh will soon be the state with maximum number of international airports in the country. 10th question. Uttar Pradesh's first Advanced Excellence Center for Hockey will be set up in which place? Answer Lucknow. A Center for Excellence in Hockey will be set up in the Uttar Pradesh capital soon. The Union Sports Ministry, with support from the state government, has taken the decision to nurture talent in a state which produce hockey stalwarts Dhyan Chand and Kunwar Digvijay Singh Babu and has a rich story in the game. Let's see the next question. Who has been appointed as the State Election Commissioner of Andhra Pradesh? Answer Neelam Sone. Retired bureaucrat Neelam Sone assumed office of Andhra Pradesh State Election Commission on Thursday. 12th question. Name the ship which was trapped in the Suez Canal recently. Answer Ever Given. 13th question. Who is the first Asian to win the International Ranger Award? Answer Mahendra Giri. Mahendra Giri, a range officer who has been deployed at Motichur range of Rajaji Tiger Reserve for the past few years, has become the only ranger from Asia to win prestigious International Ranger Award. 14th question. Which state passed the Special Armed Police Bill 2021? Answer Bihar. 15th question. Which bank approved 8,000 crore rupees for bond borrowing? Answer IDBI Bank. 16th question. When is International Day of Transgender Visibility observed? Answer 31st March. The Human Rights Campaign honors International Transgender Day of Visibility held annually on 31st March. International Transgender Day of Visibility is a time to celebrate transgender and non-binary people around the globe and acknowledge the determination it takes to live in openly and authentically. 17th question. Who will receive Saraswati Samman 2020 for his book Santan? Answer Dr. Sharan Kumar Limbale. Sharan Kumar Limbale is a Marathi language author, poet, and literacy critic. He has penned more than 40 books but is best known for autobiography Akkar Makshi. 18th question. Who has become third captain to lead India in 200 international matches? Answer Virat Kohli. 19th question. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Public Enterprises Selection Board PESB? Answer Mallika Srinivasan. Mallika Srinivasan, chairman and managing director of Tractors and Farm Equipment Limited, has been appointed as the chairperson of the Public Enterprises Selection Board PESB. An order issued by the Personnel Ministry on Thursday said. 20th question. Which Indian railway zone became the first fully electrified railway zone? Answer Western Central Zone. Western Central Zone has become the first fully electrified railway zone in the country. 21st question. Who will receive the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award, which was published recently? Answer Rajinikanth. 22nd question. Who has been appointed as the captain of IPL team Delhi Capitals? Answer Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant has been appointed as the Delhi Capitals captain for the 2021 IPL. Who is the author of the book 1232 km The Long Journey Home? Answer Vinod Kapri. Vinod Kapri is a senior Indian journalist and filmmaker. He won a national award for the documentary film Can't Take This Shit Anymore 2014. 24th question. Who has announced the launch of feature Checkout with Crypto? Answer PayPal. PayPal Holdings Inc. is an American company operating an online payment system in the majority of countries that support online money transfers and serves as electronic alternative to traditional paper methods like checks and money orders. 25th question. Which state will be the first state to have two green energy efficient town? Answer Bihar. Patna. If everything goes as per plan, Bihar is to be become the country's first state to have two green energy efficient town in Rajgir and Bodh Gaya. 26th question. IPL team Royal Challengers Bangalore has signed a 3-year partnership with which company? Answer Puma. Global sports brand Puma has signed a 3-year partnership with Indian Premier League team franchise Royal challenges Bangalore. 27th question. What is the rank of India in Global Gender Gap Report 2021? Answer 140. 28th question. Who is appointed as Additional Director of Britannia? Answer Urjit Patel. The Board of Britannia Industries has appointed former Reserve Bank Governor Urjit Patel as the company's additional director in the category of non-executive and independent director. He has been appointed as the additional director with effect from March 31st for 5-year period. 29th question. When is World Autism Awareness Day observed? Answer April 2nd. April 2nd is recognized internationally and celebrated as World Autism Awareness Day every year. The theme of World Autism Day 2021 is Challenge and Opportunities in a Post-Pandemic World. 30th question. Where will be 2023 Men's Boxing World Championship held? Answer Uzbekistan. The 2023 Men's Boxing World Championship will be held in Uzbekistan capital Tashkent, the International Boxing Association announced on Friday. Thank you for watching.